what's your day again? December 1st, October 5th. Walking the avenue of the 5th of October, but on the 1st of December, it was a day to remember. But it's already December. Strolling down the avenue of the 5th of October, doing it on the 1st of December. Got my dates and months mixed up, but damn, 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 look at that view. Walking the avenue of the 5th of October, but on the 1st of December, it was a day to remember. But it's already December. Yeah, 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 the 5th of October. Yeah, 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 on the 1st of December. Yeah, 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 the 5th of October. Yeah, 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 on the 1st of December. Walking the avenue of the 5th of October, but on the 1st of December, it was a day to remember. But it's already December.
So we're going to be filming this street in Coloane, and this is basically what we're going to be doing, just walking down here. You can see the benches. I'm just going to follow it all the way down. And on the other side is Hengqin, China side. There's a temple over there. So I think what we're going to do is start up on that temple and then come on down. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we're in Coloane. Let's put this up in the map so you can see we're way down in the most southern part of Macau, and we have this nice view of China, Hengqin, China, Zhuhai. Two things. Number one, I changed the camera lens a little bit. So usually I kind of have this big macroscopic view, and this is a little bit more microscopic. It's something called L setting. So if you think it's good, let me know. I kind of like it a little bit more when I can see everything on all the periphery side, but actually because I'm not in the buildings this time and I'm on the waterfront, I think it actually maybe works okay for this one. Yeah, let me know if you agree. And number two, the lyrics. Let me put this up on the side here. So the lyrics I created because I'll tell you first that I filmed on December 1st, but the street name is the Avenue of the October 5th, which is an important Portuguese holiday commemorating the Portuguese government in 1910 that made a transition from the monarchy. So so anyways, I'm just kind of playing around with this, the fact that I was on October 5th Street on December 1st. So that's the lyric is all about that. So you can see that already. And let's just get right into the walk and talk, where I'm going to narrate and go down the entire beautiful boardwalk view along Coloane in a very southern part of Macau. All right, 5th of October Avenue. Okay, so this is our street down that way. So I started right at that sign right there, but you can kind of get an idea of the ocean, and we're going to be following that, and I'll kind of explain what's all in there. And this is a beautiful little temple that we're going to be starting at. Some pretty cool designs up there too. I think a good friend of mine was telling me that these are quite unique, but I don't remember the details. But him and I did film up here before, and he explained it. But actually our focus Somebody just broke a bunch of glass. I could hear it. But our focus is going to be the street. But we'll start out at the temple. And just give you a full context of everything. And that's the temple right there. And this basically starts out at the October, the 5th Street. Some urns, nice little lawn. That goes to bathroom is down that way. But we're gonna follow this all the way down.
Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, see you everyone. See ya.
Okay, so let's stroll all the way down October, the Cinco de Octubre Avenue. And I'll try to explain it a little bit. So this is called Coloane Village, and then Coloane Village is the most southern part of Macau. And I think historically there was pirates here, which the government, I think it was a certain time period when they tried to eradicate this as a pirate hangout, but now it's completely different because it's part of the, it's like connected by bridges to the Macau side, which was historically not connected by bridges, and that's where the Portuguese settlement was at. And this would have had its own thing going on. It's kind of cool photo. Okay. Got some scaffolding to the right. Let's see. So to the right is the way they scaffold buildings here. And that one looks, I think this one has some nice windows. I don't know exactly what that one is, but the one that's, we're gonna come up on another one, I'm gonna tell you about that. But there's one right there, straight ahead, which is often for rent. But we'll highlight that when we get a little bit closer. And then this Coloane village down that way, there's actually a pier. And just give you a little bit of a background of everything. There's Hengqin Island right there, so there's actually a amusement park over there. University of Macau is directly the way over that way. And then this is the one that I was, this one is sometimes for rent. I don't think it's this apartment, I think it's the same one that's down that way. But that's kind of interesting that it is for rent sometimes. But this one has this beautiful courtyard. Anyways, we're gonna keep on going down. And we're gonna get a lot more people coming in here. And we're also gonna get some nice colorful murals on the other side. So we'll try to get over that way as well. But those are the murals over there, so let's try to go over that way. So yeah, actually if you go around, we're gonna stick to this one, but just real quick, there's some beautiful artwork right in here. And you can see it all the way up the street. I should just film specifically this street. Maybe in the next video. Then you can also go down this nice little lane right here, and there's some nice commercial businesses and more artwork as well. If I get a chance, I'll definitely go down. This is the one that's often for rent. And we're just gonna go around the corner here. Avenida de Cinco de Octubre. Some big massive trees. And if you look at the details, there's some numbers, QR code, and that one is number 136, which means that that one is accounted for. So basically that's like, that could be quite illegal if that one was cut. And I think you can actually read about these anyways. They all have QR codes, but then if they have a number like that one, this is 135, then they're protected. So if we'll see some other ones up there too, and I think those are equally going to be protected with certain numbers as well. Let's see. That one has kind of a little church facade. Okay. And then there's more artwork in these areas as well, and more numbers. So that one is 133. And then yeah, there's a lot of artists in Coloane. It attracts them because it's such a beautiful place. Okay. There's an ice cream shop here. Okay. I can see the waterfront from that view. And here's another tree that's preserved, 132. And then this one has some nice pillars, so we're gonna capture that. But yeah, this is actually the library, Biblioteca. So yeah, so public library. So you got the waterfront down that way. Okay, so let's keep on going down this way. So yeah, it looks really cool when you capture the big pillars like that. You got the ocean waterfront as well. Okay. So let me just see if we're gonna set something up here. Sometimes they'll set up a stage and different things. And then this one comes into a nice plaza, Largo Eduardo Marques. And it looks like they're setting up for Christmas, so they have the nativity set. So let's just go in real quick, show you what the nativity set looks like. So I think that big truck was probably setting up more things. This one is new. I don't recall seeing this. And then there's a church down that way too, all worth filming. And that's a nativity set. Let's go down that way. So there we go. We got little poinsettia flowers as well. Manger. And then this sculpture, then that one right there is Francis Xavier Church. So he was a Jesuit, I believe, but he was a Catholic priest, missionary. I mean, converted people. So he basically died not too far away from here. So he was I guess they call him a martyr and a saint. And then this has a really nice restaurant in here. So I should focus on that for a moment. More poinsettias. You got the waterfront. Guess we should probably go back across. Now we kind of have this big space to show off. Okay. So let me just see. We're gonna walk back over here for a second. We have more of these little Largos and some restaurants with some rooftop places. This is actually called Bazaar Largo, like a market bazaar square. But this one over here is a different one. It has Trina's Lane. Okay, so let's navigate back over to the water. So you're getting a taste of Coloane, black and white ship. Okay, let's go a little bit further. Okay, let's see. And then this is going to come out to the end, and the next street is it'll follow Waterfront as well, but it'll go all the way down to a pier. And now we're in the heart of Coloane village. You can see our sign, Avenida de Cinco de Octubre right there. And this is the main Coloane square. And then this one is our waterfront. So let's just kind of capture that real quick. Pier that goes out. And then down this way, there's actually these restaurants that are way down that way. But there's also a dog that's in this territory too, so you don't want to go down there. Okay. So another taste of Macau. But yeah, this just keeps on going down, and there's more like restaurants that are right on the water. Pork chop buns as well, as that one says. But that would be a different video. Cinco de Octubre ends right here. So another slice of Macau.